Hi everyone, I'm Anita. I'm a holistic nutritionist, a health and wellness coach. I help busy people make lifestyle modifications for a healthier living. So 2 days back, I had uploaded a video on mangoes, wherein I had said if you are also a diabetic, you can still consume mangoes. So since then, I've got a lot of queries on people asking me that our doctor has suggested that we should only be eating papayas and oranges, and you say that mangoes are okay. So is it okay to eat different kinds of fruits if I'm a diabetic? What is it that I can eat in terms of fruits? So I thought I will answer this question because a lot of people have a lot of confusion about this. First thing is when it comes to fruits, right? They have a sugar called fructose in them. That's the maximum amount of sugars that they have. And fructose, as a matter of fact, does not require insulin for its absorption. So it directly gets absorbed by the liver, and that is why when you eat a fruit, you feel instantly energetic. So that's the first reason why you should consume all kinds of fruits. The second is the other sugars which are present, which does require insulin for absorption. Because the fruits are also rich in fiber, the absorption is very slow. So because fiber cannot get digested very quickly, or sometimes certain kinds of fibers don't get digested at all. So in those cases, the absorption of the other sugars, which is a very minimal amount present in fruits, it is very slow, because of which there is no much of difference in the sugar levels, or there's no much of spike in the sugar levels. The second reason why is fruits generally fall under something called the low glycemic index, or glycemic index load, which is lower, from the range of 1 to 10, which means to say that it does not add up to your sugar buildup in the body. So that is why it really doesn't make an impact. Again, it doesn't mean that you eat out of way, like you don't eat 4 5 mangoes a day. That's not advisable. Or you don't eat one whole jackfruit, one whole of a jackfruit, I mean. And so things like that, you will always eat everything in moderation. You will never overdo. That is even advisable for a healthy person as well, that you eat things in moderation. Anything in excess is always bad for the body. So always eat in moderation first. And coming back to diabetics having bananas. Okay, bananas is one fruit that falls under medium glycemic load. So what happens is people are really scared to have banana, but you don't really need to be, because it's got certain nutrients which are really really important as a diabetic for you. So consuming bananas in the morning is the best time for you to consume it first. And you don't have to worry about the glycemic index of bananas, because they get absorbed when you eat them with nuts, especially with soaked badams, or soaked walnuts. It gives you much more benefit, because again the fiber content in it and the fat content of the nuts, the good fat in the nuts, help in slower absorption of the fruit. Okay, so last and final, what I would say is keep everything in moderation. When you're having a fruit, make sure that you manage the other carbohydrates that you're eating, because mostly the sugar level spike happens because of the refined carbohydrates that you're eating, and not really because of the fruit that you're eating. So try and moderate on that, and then you will be able to manage diabetes in a much more healthier way, than being scared of eating anything as such. So tomorrow I'll come up with the next set of topics, and thank you.